This is absolutely why I am building a van. This, right here. Not a bad place for the first meal in the van. Oh my God, the views. We're gonna do a pretty crude first meal in the van with our induction stovetop here. We've got some stuff in our fridge and we're gonna have a nice little dinner, sunset, do a little reading. It's gonna be good. But first, little snack, little walk along the ridge and see what we got out here.
If they'd ever come true, will these fences forever stand? Am I wasting my mind trying to figure it out?
All right, let's make some dinner and then hike down into the canyon and sit by a waterfall and read a book. Sounds amazing.
Except for just one, learning just who I am. Sweetest memories, sweeter than the truth. It takes long to figure it out. I'm wishing you the best, then I wish myself the rest. Thinking it's time to break free. I need to self-approve. This vision is new. To get myself right over you. I'm training my mind to build a self up. Let healing breath fill up my cup.
For a first meal in the van, not bad. One thing I would change is I'm parked on a slightly crooked surface, so I would have used my little blocks that I have to re-level my surface and leveled the van out because all the eggs were cooking in one side of the pan. But that's fine. Absolutely delicious, filling. Let's eat this up and then go check out what's down in the canyon. Not a bad spot at all to have my first meal in the van.
Treat yourself kind, listen to what's within.
I am most definitely a workaholic, and not just a workaholic, but something I've realized lately. I am actually a workaholic mostly as a product of my fear of what will happen if I stop working. Will I feel like I don't have a point or a purpose, like I'm wasting myself, my time, etc.? Will I feel lonely? Will I feel bored? Will everything I do, Netflix, video games, fun books, whatever, will that not be able to fill that boredom that comes when you're not constantly occupied? And that's another reason why I built the van and why I'm still building the van and why I'm gonna go live out of the van and travel everywhere and have this very weird, hard to maintain and awkward lifestyle, detached from community, detached from family, still trying to work while on the road, having to wash my clothes in laundromats, having to shower out of a tube that's mounted to the top of my car, all these weird things. I'm doing it because I want to see what will happen when I force myself to get up, to go, and to detach myself from all of the things that I used to fill the space, the work, the entertainment, all the different things that we do to kill time, so to speak. I don't want to kill time anymore. I want the time to be right there with me in a way that makes me uncomfortable, in a way that makes me stop and realize this is my life, this is our world, and what am I going to do about it? So if you're curious why I'm building a van, why I am moving into it to do all these weird things around the country, this is it. To sit in places like this and confront my thoughts, to sit with myself, to allow boredom to become a regular part of my life, and to explore what it means to be alive. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I don't know what I'm going to do in the end. I don't know what I'm going to wind up doing in 10 years. All I know is that experience and perspective are the most valuable things that you can accrue in your lifetime. And you do so by going out, by meeting people, by hearing their stories, by listening more than talking, which is ironic that I'm talking to you guys right now and you're the one listening. But I plan on spending the next year or so listening to other people, listening to myself and my thoughts, listening to what loneliness means when you're out on the road by yourself, listening to what boredom means when you're completely detached from internet cell service, entertainment, your space that you're living in is this tiny little van. I'm nervous and I'm excited and I'm ready. Let's go see a lot more views like this.